Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the LG ThermaV R290, an advanced heat pump system designed to provide efficient heating, cooling, and hot water solutions for homes and businesses. Known for its eco-friendly refrigerant and cutting-edge technology, the ThermaV R290 is a standout in the HVAC market. Stay tuned as we explore everything the LG ThermaV R290 has to offer. Design and build quality. The LG ThermaV R290 features a robust and modern design, built to withstand various environmental conditions. The unit is housed in a durable, weather-resistant casing that protects it from the elements, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. The compact and sleek design allows for flexible installation options, whether it's mounted on a wall or placed on the ground. The build quality is top-notch, with attention to detail evident in the construction and materials used. The unit is designed to operate quietly, with noise reduction technologies integrated into the system to ensure minimal disruption to your home environment. Eco-friendly refrigerant. One of the standout features of the LG ThermaV R290 is its use of R290 refrigerant, also known as propane. R290 is a natural refrigerant with a low global warming potential, GWP, making it an environmentally friendly choice compared to traditional refrigerants. This aligns with global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. The use of R290 refrigerant not only makes the ThermaV R290 more sustainable, but also improves its efficiency, as it has excellent thermodynamic properties. This translates to lower energy consumption and operating costs, providing both environmental and economic benefits. Performance and efficiency. The LG ThermaV R290 is designed to deliver high performance and energy efficiency, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The heat pump operates efficiently in both heating and cooling modes, providing year-round comfort. The system is equipped with LG's advanced inverter technology, which adjusts the compressor speed to match the heating or cooling demand, resulting in optimal performance and reduced energy consumption. The ThermaV R290 boasts a high seasonal coefficient of performance, COP, and energy efficiency ratio, EER, ensuring that it meets stringent energy efficiency standards. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to reduce their energy bills and carbon footprint. Heating and cooling capabilities. The LG ThermaV R290 offers versatile heating and cooling capabilities, making it suitable for various climates and applications. In heating mode, the unit can provide efficient space heating even at low outdoor temperatures, ensuring a warm and comfortable indoor environment during the winter months. In cooling mode, it effectively removes heat from the indoor space, maintaining a cool and pleasant atmosphere during the summer. The system also includes a hot water module, allowing it to provide domestic hot water efficiently. This makes the ThermaV R290 a comprehensive solution for all your heating, cooling, and hot water needs. Smart features and connectivity. The LG ThermaV R290 is equipped with smart features that enhance its usability and convenience. The system can be controlled remotely via the LG Smart ThinQ app, allowing you to adjust settings, monitor performance, and receive notifications from your smartphone. This adds a layer of convenience, enabling you to manage your home's climate from anywhere. The unit also supports integration with smart home systems, allowing for seamless control alongside other smart devices. This ensures that your heating and cooling system is fully integrated into your smart home ecosystem, providing enhanced comfort and efficiency. Installation and maintenance. The LG ThermaV R290 is designed for easy installation and maintenance. The unit's compact design allows for flexible placement, and the comprehensive installation guide provided by LG ensures a smooth setup process. Additionally, the system is designed with serviceability in mind, with easy access to key components for maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance is essential to keep the system running efficiently and prolong its lifespan. LG provides comprehensive support and resources to help homeowners and technicians maintain the system effectively. Price and value. The LG ThermaV R290 is positioned as a premium heat pump system, reflecting its advanced technology, eco-friendly refrigerant, and high performance. While it comes at a higher initial cost compared to some traditional HVAC systems, its superior energy efficiency and reduced operating costs make it a valuable investment in the long run. The environmental benefits of using R290 refrigerant and the system's contribution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions also add to its value, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious consumers. In conclusion, the LG ThermaV R290 is a top-tier heat pump system that delivers exceptional performance, energy efficiency, and environmental benefits. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home's heating and cooling system or seeking an eco-friendly solution for your business, the ThermaV R290 offers the features and capabilities to meet your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.